This is it, the finale of our RAG module. Over the last 3 weeks, you went from what's the knowledge problem to understanding every piece of a retrieval system. Today, we tie it all together into a practical blueprint, a checklist you could genuinely use to design your first RAG system this week. Let's turn knowledge into a plan. Welcome back to AI in 5. Take a second to appreciate where you are. 3 weeks ago, RAG was a mystery acronym. Now you understand embeddings, vectors, similarity, databases, chunking, retrieval, re-ranking, and evaluation. That's not trivia. That's the real anatomy of how modern AI products give grounded answers. You're not just RAG aware anymore. You're RAG capable. Let's prove it with a build plan. Here's the entire system in one breath. Ahead of time, you load and clean your documents, chunk them, embed those chunks, and store the vectors. Then, at question time, you embed the question, search for the best chunks, optionally re-rank them, and feed them to the model to write a grounded, cited answer. Index offline, retrieve live. That sentence is your whole architecture. Everything else is detail and tuning. Let's make it a checklist. Step 1, the index. Gather the documents that hold your answers. Clean out the junk formatting. Chunk them into focused, paragraph-sized pieces with a little overlap. Embed each chunk with a good embedding model. And store the vectors, the original text, and useful metadata tags in a vector database. Get this prep right, and you're already most of the way to a great system. Step 2, the live query path. Embed the user's question with the same model. Search the database, and consider hybrid so you catch exact terms too. Apply any metadata filters for scope and security, then re-rank the top batch for accuracy. Finally, build a prompt that says, answer using only this context, and if it's not here, say so. Then let the model write the grounded answer. That's a complete, serious RAG pipeline. And weave in the habit that separates good systems from frustrating ones. Measure from day one. Before you obsess over fancy features, write 20 or 30 real questions with known answers. Every time you change something, run that little test set and check the score. Don't tune by vibes. Let the numbers tell you what's actually working. This one discipline will save you weeks of guessing. Now sidestep the classic traps. Don't feed it messy text or carelessly cut chunks. Garbage in, garbage out. Don't let your index go stale or fill with duplicates. When something's wrong, don't immediately blame the model. Check what was retrieved first. And don't skip evaluation. A system you can't measure is a system you can't trust. Avoid these 4, and you're ahead of most teams shipping RAG today. And please don't try to build the perfect system on day 1. Start with a simple version, basic chunking, plain semantic search, a clean prompt, and get it answering. Then, guided by your test set, layer and hybrid search, re-ranking, filters, and better chunking. A working simple system you improve beats a perfect system you never finish. Ship version 1, then make it better with evidence. So with RAG, we solved the knowledge problem. We gave AI a fresh, private, searchable memory and grounded, cited answers. But notice, everything we built still just talks. It retrieves and it answers. What if AI could also do things, take actions, use tools, complete multi-step tasks on your behalf? That's a whole new frontier, and it's exactly where we're headed next. So you can now design a real RAG system, index, retrieve, generate, measure, and improve. That's a genuine, in-demand skill, and Module 2 is officially in the bag. Tomorrow we open a brand new chapter, and the most exciting one yet, AI agents. Moving from systems that answer to systems that act. From chatbots to agents. See you tomorrow on AI in 5.